lies about.
Hey, what's up YouTube, welcome back to another video of Tech 7. So guys, out in this video today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you can get the Python application for your Android mobile phone. So guys, if this video helps you out, make sure that you hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button guys. And if you hit the subscribe button, make sure that you hit the notification bell to get a notification for the very first time. So guys, I will be making all of these kind of entertaining and helpful videos, so it is an advantage for you guys to hit the subscribe button. And you can also just go and check out my previous videos out on YouTube. So in the trick I'm using in this video is gonna be completely legal, free to use and safest way to get Python application for your mobile phones. So guys, make sure that you don't miss any steps shown in this video. And also guys, if this video helps you out, just make sure that you hit the like button and share this video to all of your friends to make them helpful. So for that, what you need to go for open up your Play Store and then search for QPython, and that's gonna be pretty good for you guys. So you can see the first application, QPython for Android. That's what you need to just do for it. You just need to go and hit the install button in this, and that should be counting towards the Python. So now once you open it, just you need to click on sign in button and then you are really good to go. I just click on the sign in button, sign in with the Google, and then I would be back. So guys, now as I have signed in, you can see welcome Psych Army, and you just need to go for, you can see over here, welcome Psych Army, that's my username. And then if you go down for, you can see terminal, editor, explorer, scan, QP, what's that? QPYPI, that means it's QPyP. You can just use any of the services or you can use any of the tabs. So if I click on terminal, it will show you like good syntax and commands. You don't need to do anything over here. If you click back, what shows it run in background, you just need to click no. And if you want to make a code, you can just go for edit, and that's gonna be counting towards the making of your Python. So I hope you had enjoyed this video guys, and if I helped you, please hit the like button and also the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the new upcoming videos guys. I'll keep making some cool contents like this. So guys, we'll meet you, bye.